Okay, I guess I'm actually a little confused on the assignment you've given us. If it was supposed to be for you, the three parts, or for the kids. So I did the first part for you. I will continue on as if I'm teaching the kids on the next two parts. So let's see. Good morning, class. I'm going to show you how to access a question on Google Classroom. So first, you will need to access Google Classroom from your drive and type in this code that I've given you. I'll give you a few seconds to get that typed in. And then you should see our classroom picture. Isn't that a nice picture? You're all looking so good on the first day of school. So next, we will learn what we do to get to the question.